At KIT Royal Tropical Institute, we stand right by her. The Right by Her campaign is a multi-year project. It's dedicated to realizing and extending women and girls' sexual and reproductive health and rights across Africa. The campaign does so by focusing on increasing civil society's contribution to the implementation of the Maputo Protocol, which is a progressive commitment of the African Union.
A key component of the campaign is the State of African Women report, which has been authored by KIT, the Royal Tropical Institute, together with a team of African women researchers. The report aims to raise awareness of the continental commitment, so of the Maputo Protocol and also the Maputo Plan of Action, and at the same time to track the progress that has been made in the implementation and to review that progress.
The report focuses on 4 key areas within sexual and reproductive health and rights, and these include gender-based violence against women, harmful practices, and then in specific we focus on child marriage and female genital mutilation. We look at reproductive rights and sexual reproductive health, and HIV and AIDS and women's rights. Progress has definitely been made across all these 4 rights areas, yet implementation lags behind. And many women and girls across Africa still do not fully enjoy these fundamental human rights.
We've seen a lot of legal and policy reform in a lot of African countries towards the obligations in the Maputo Protocol and also the Maputo Plan of Action, but there are also gaps. So at the level of the laws, we see that there are new laws, but often these legal frameworks are not comprehensive, either for specific rights areas or across the 4 rights areas. We also see that in case the laws are in place, that they are not always translated into policies and actual action plans that would support their implementation. There is also a big need and a big gap in terms of the allocation of human and financial resources for that implementation. And in the 4th place, there is a strong need for training and capacity building, both in the health sector, so health professionals, medical staff, as well as police, lawyers, magistrates, in the legal system, on non-discrimination, on women's and girls' rights, and also on privacy and confidentiality. And then lastly, what's also highly needed is to collect more accurate and also reliable data on these rights issues that we focus on. At KIT Royal Tropical Institute, we stand right by her.